Welcome to Coding with Kids. My name is Kalia, and today we're in CodeCombat. This is a introduction. So continue playing to continue where you were. There's exciting new heroes. You can adopt pets to be your hero. You can design your own games to challenge your friends. Okay. Over here you can subscribe, but there's free plays too. So we'll continue playing. But this one will need to subscribe, and this one needs to subscribe too. So I'm going to go here. When there's a star, that means you completed it. But if it's like this, there's a flag, that means you didn't complete it yet. And these are really not really completed. I'll press this. Now transfer into the forest. If there is an arrow pointing to something, that means where you have to continue. Press play.
For the win.
Over here, I have a pet here already. Press equip in the clip. Then you have to press this to play. Then play. And there's a goal to wipe out the camp. Press start level. Press submit if you think you're done. Press map if you think you're going to go back to here. You want to go back. So, over here has CodeCombat Premium. There's claims, items, heroes.
For the win.
These 4 don't need to subscribe, but the others need to subscribe. I choose this one. And you can choose Python, no HTML, but JavaScript and CoffeeScript. Right now I'm in Python. Press save if you have any changes. No. Press here to go to somewhere else, but I need to pay to go there, so I can't go here. So I'll go back here where I came from, the dungeon. Over here. So, if it has like this, press on it, press play. But you have to subscribe to play this, so I can't play it. There's heroes, achievements, buy gems and settings. Okay, and items. There are warriors. These are the pets. The brown red baby griffin. You subscribe to get them all. But there's a lot of them. I only unlocked 3 of them. This one, and this one. To get up, press the X. Over here is how many gems you have. So, this is where the sound. There, I don't need some sound. And press here to log out. Over here is hard one. But I have to subscribe to go there. So let's go back to the forest. Okay. It's still loading. In the forest, I didn't unlock much of them. Okay, press CodeCombat to go here, where we started. I'm gonna press continue playing again. All of these are locked. This is the question mark because it's the final one. I only unlocked 4 of them, but these 2 has to subscribe, so I can't go to them. So I only can go to the Blackwoods Forest because over here, I don't have anything to do except my old ones. So it's loading from the forest to here. Okay, like I did this. I don't remember what it is, but I'm just gonna press play.
For the win.
Press play.
CodeCombat.
So here are the goals. And there's bonuses to earn more gems and XP. No code problems. Under 5 statements. So right now it's loading. Your hero must survive. Your hero must survive and grab the gem. I success already. Okay. Right now it's really loading. Let's press back to the map. Okay, it's loading. Okay, we're back here because I pressed it a few times. You need unlocked pets to adopt them. Some of them have to subscribe. Over here, you can change language. Your account has profile settings, payments, decisions, and logout. There's about parents, impact, play, and formal. And thanks for watching. Smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Ding! Bye bye.